my channel. Your friends are here. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make these two trees for your new year or any kind of decorations. So now, let's start one by one. So guys, you will need several circles like this. So the smallest one is of 2 cm radius, and yeah, they have to be in their pair. This one is of 3 cm radius. This one is of 4 cm radius. This one is of 5 cm radius, and the last, this is of 6 cm radius. I need an A3 size sheet for the background. So now let's get started. This first Christmas tree is completed, and now it is the time to make the second Christmas tree. So guys, for this Christmas tree, you will need 8 sheets of paper. The measurement for the first paper is length 33 cm and breadth 22 cm. So the measurement for the second sheet of paper is 30 cm into 20 cm. In the same way, every time the length is decreased by 3 cm and the breadth is decreased by 2 cm. For more information, go and check out my description box. So guys, from this side, you need to leave 4.5 cm. Similarly, from this side also, you need to leave 4.5 cm. And for the lines, you need to leave 0.5 cm. Because these lines are on the distance of half centimeter each. So if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also put the notification bell on so that you may get every notification of my video whenever I'll upload a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.